Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're working on that Volkswagen Jetta MK5. Golf will be the same. We will show you how to remove a side view mirror on those, okay? Unfortunately, you will have to remove the door panel, so stay with us. We'll go ahead and remove the door panel and we'll show you how to get the mirror out of there. So in order to remove the door panel now, in our case it won't be even as easy because we cannot open the door all the way because it's hitting on the cables right there, you can see. But what you need to do now, so in order to remove the door panel, guys, right there we need to remove that screw in the top corner, you can see, with a T2. Okay, you see that start looking big. Okay, T20, that's what we're using. We have that one there, and also we have underneath more. Okay, let me show you right there. We have more that we need to remove. So we have a total of 3 screws on the bottom of the door panel. Okay, second one is coming out. And now a third one. Almost there. Okay. Right there with a prying tool, you need to remove that cap, and there is a couple more bigger screws there, bolts. Okay, so you need to pop this one loose. Okay, almost there. This one is stuck pretty good. It hasn't been removed. Okay, that's what it looks like. Okay, and after that we need a T30, a little bit bigger too. And there is 2 that we need to remove. Okay, one is out, and now the second one. And be careful not to drop this one in, because when you remove the panel it's fine, but when you install it, it will fall in and you'll have to remove the panel again to get to it. Okay, so those are actually bolts. And now we have clips that we need to remove. If we use a prying tool like that, it's super easy. You can just start on one side first. And even if you grab with your fingers like that, guys, okay, it will start coming out. You don't even need to use a prying tool for that, but it will help you if you have one. Okay, like that. Okay, and a couple more on the other side. And now it will come up, and the wires are very short, so be careful not to damage anything. So it's stuck pretty good, but it will come loose. Okay, you have to go slow and pull it out of the groove. And now it's the wires, guys. That's the you need to unhook the locking system first. Okay, right there. You just pull it out, and you need to go ahead and do all the wirings now. Once we unhook everything, I'll show you how it is, because it's almost impossible to show you right now. Okay, and that's the door panel out of there now. So now let us show you exactly where the wires are. This one, you just press down right here and pull it out. This one is the same way, that blue one. The other one, all we have to do is just squeeze those 2 things and pull out at the same time. And if you have a clip left, like we have one right here, what you need to do right here, you need to grab this piece, okay, and you need to pull it out of the outer piece. So you need to install that one on the door panel. Okay, like that. You can see it comes out. Okay. And this is the door panel, guys. So you need to unhook the cable first. A couple wires actually for the mirror that you need to do. One on the bottom right there. Okay. And this one, actually you need to pull that red piece out like that and press down. Okay, and you can pull it out of the module. And after that, you need to feed it through the holders. With a prying tool, you need to remove those 2 holders right there. Okay, just pull them out, pretty simple. Now we have one more wire right here, but this one we won't need to remove it. And then with the T20 we have one screw for that cap. Okay, that wire is actually for the speaker, so you don't need to remove this one. And now those are a little bit tricky, so you need to be careful with those. Okay, you come out. Okay, just like that. And the mirror is right here now, so we're using a T2 again, and we should have 3 screws, one here, and one under that cap that we need to remove, that plastic cap. Okay, right there. And now with the T32 we should be able to go ahead and remove them. Okay, one is out. I'll be holding the mirror on this side because it will come loose. Okay, that's what the boat looks like. Okay, this one probably have to go through that hole there in order to do it. Okay, second one out. Careful not to drop it inside. And now it's the third one. Okay, need to open it up all the way. Okay, now nothing is holding it. There is actually a clip here. You need to leave the bottom part up first and then pull it out, and that's the clip we're talking about. Feed the wire through the hole. Okay, like that, and this is the mirror. Okay guys, so that's how simple it is to remove the mirror. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.